So, friends, this is the third day of our trip to Shri Mahavirji and Bharatpur, and today we are planning to go to Agra. So, friends, this was the hotel where we stayed in Bharatpur. Good hotel, cozy hotel, more like a homestay, and price was okay. Very comfortable stay. Now we are heading today towards Agra Fort. So, friends, Agra Fort is approximately 50 kilometers from this place, and we'll be taking the Jaipur Agra highway to go to Agra Fort. On the left side, you can see the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. So, on this point, if we take left, we'll go to Mathura, but we are going to Agra, so we will take the right from here. So, we are on Jaipur Agra highway and we are moving towards Agra. Weather is lovely, no rain today. It should take around 1.5 hours to reach Agra Fort. Friends, the history of Agra Fort is unclear before it was occupied by Mughals after the first battle of Panipat. But in the 15th century, it is believed to be occupied by Chauhan Rajputs and later by Sikandar Lodi. Who built some buildings in this complex which is there today. The present form of the Agra Fort came about in the reign of Akbar, who lived here between 1556 to early 17th century. So Mughals stayed in Agra Fort. This was the main residence of Mughals till 1638, when they shifted their capital to Delhi. Afterward, it is believed to be occupied by Marathas until it was captured by British later. So we are in Agra. We are about to reach Agra Fort. We are very near to Agra Fort. So this is the grand building of Agra Fort, which in 1983 became the UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is around 2.5 kilometers from its more famous sister, which is Taj Mahal, which is also UNESCO World Heritage Site. So this is the grand gate of Agra Fort. very good example of the Mughal architecture. It was more of a walled city rather than a fort. Around 6 to 7 million visitors visit Agra mainly because of Taj Mahal, but many of them also come to Agra Fort every year. So there are many spots in Agra Fort from where you can see Taj Mahal, beautiful views of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan in memory of his deceased wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is made of ivory marble. It costed 36 million Indian rupees at that time, which at present is equivalent to 1 billion US dollar. It is world's best example of the Muslim art in India, and it is the great example of the rich history of India.
यहाँ 5 फीट डीप पॉन्ड होता है, उसमें कलरफुल फिशेज होते थे। शाहजहाँ वहाँ बैठते थे, सामने मुमताज, कंपटीशन होता था फिश को शूट करने का एरो के थ्रू, ऑरेंज से 10 बंद कर दिया। ये दीवाने उसका बेटा था।
So after Agra Fort, we headed towards Rambabu Paratha Bhandar, very famous food joint. We are inside the restaurant, and this was our lunch. We ordered a variety of parathas of different types. They are little costly, but the quality is very good. It is made in pure ghee. Very famous food place. Lot of varieties of parathas are there. So after the lunch, we did some shopping. We bought some petha, panchi petha, and other sweets from Agra, and headed back to Ghaziabad. I hope you liked this three episode video. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. And if you have any comments or feedback, please write your comments. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.